Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. So chapter number 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 13, 14. These are the most important chapter you cannot leave on the choice, and these are less important but you have to do these chapters as well. 2, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So today we will do chapter number 11.2 exercise, which is very important for the short as well. Moving towards the exercise 11.2. Question number 1. Draw a graph of each of the following function for interval mentioned again each. So first part is included in the reduced syllabus, which is y is equal to minus sine x and x belongs to minus 2 pi and 2 pi. Minus 2 pi is 360 and 2 pi is plus 360. Value of x, which is from minus 360 to plus 360, and then we will write the value of y by putting the value of x in equation. This equation we are given in the question. So let's see the solution. First, x is equal to minus 360. We will start from minus 360 and adding 30 degree in each. So we get minus 360, then minus 330, minus 300, minus 270, minus 240, minus 210. First you have to focus on x values, then we will find the value of y. So first see the values of x, then minus 180, minus 150, minus 120, minus 90, minus 60, minus 30, then 0. Then from negative, now moving towards the positive values, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360. Okay, we have write all the values of x firstly. Then we will find the value of y. How we can find it? We will put in the calculator minus sine x value for first is minus 360. Putting that, we will get 0. We will put here 0, and minus 360 and positive 360 will have same values, so we will put 0 here and here. Okay, first step. Then we will put the value of 330. Minus 330 is minus 0.5, so we have written here minus 0.5, and minus 330 and plus 330, just there is difference of sign, so we will write here minus 0.5 and here plus 0.5. Then minus 300, which is equal to minus 0.866, which is equal to minus 0.87. Putting here minus 0.87, and positive 1 will be plus 0.87. Okay, then minus 270, we get minus 1, so we put here minus 1 and here will be plus 1. Okay, just writing the both values simultaneously to save the time. Then minus 240, which is equal to minus 0.866, minus 0.87, then it will be plus 0.87. Then 210 minus 210, which is equal to minus 0.5. See here minus 0.5, and it will be positive 0.5. Okay, then 180, minus 180 would be 0 and here would be 0. Then minus 150 would be same process, putting all the values in the calculator and changing the sign of each. Okay, 20 is 0.87 and here minus 0.87. Then minus 90 is 1 and here minus 1. Then minus 60 is 0.87, here minus 0.87. Then minus 30 is 0.5, here minus 0.5, and 0 degree is 0. So this is how you can write the values of x and y in the exams. You can also another method I am writing here, just showing you. First you will write all the values of x, like minus 360 to positive 360, and then make a column and then write the values of sign. In this way you can also write, and this way is also right. Then now moving towards the most important part, drawing the graph. So how to draw a graph? It is good to draw in the graph paper, but I will draw in this plain paper. So firstly you have to draw these two lines. Here is x and here is y. Then here is negative y or y bar, and here is x bar. Here is 0 degree basic structure. Then we are having minus 360 to positive 360. Just count the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 values you have to put here. 1, which is 30 degree. Then 2, 60. 3 just 90. 120. 150, then 180, then 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, and extend it if you are having less space. Then here is 360. So this is how you will mark the values, and then you have to do one thing, that leaves 2, 1, 2, then make it bigger. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this like this. Okay, this will help you to make the graph better. So the maximum value of y is 1 and the minimum value of y is minus 1. You can see here the y is minus 0.5. 0.85 means the maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is minus 1, minus 0.5. So writing that, here would be positive 1 and here would be negative 1. Writing the values of negative 1, I have written the value with negative sign. Now same method, 1, 2, leave 2 points and highlight the other. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2. So we have done that. Now the main thing, how to draw a graph. This is very important paper. First x value we will start from minus 30. Minus 30 is 0.5, positive 0.5 the value of x. So positive 0.5 would be somewhere here. So putting the dot over here. So I am using this paper to make the line straight here. Okay, putting dot here. Then minus 60 is 0.87 would be close to the 1. So marking here the point. Okay, then 90 degree would be 1, so exact 1. Putting it will be like this, structure would be like this wave. Okay, and this would be equal to 1. So putting that, then minus 120 is then again similar to this one, 0.87, which is this point, and minus 150 is 0.5. Pointing the values of y, 0.5. okay, like this. Then 180 is 0. You can see here minus 180 is 0. So marking here 0. Minus 210 is minus 0.5. So here would be minus 0.5 and here would be somewhere here minus 0.85. So minus 0. Somewhere here. Okay, then minus 240 is minus 0.87. So minus 0.87 is this, and minus 240 would be here, this point, and this would be like this here. Then minus 270 is -1, so this point, so it will be like this here. Okay, then -300 is -0.87, this point 300. Then -330 would be -0.5, -0.5, putting in the place of -0.5. Then -360 would be 0. -360 is 0. So here now we have to just join the points. So it will be like this curve. Then like this. (360) is 0, so join like this. So this is how you will get the curve. Now in this side same method will be applied. I will show you. Now I will just mark the points. The values are same. +30 -0.5, -0.5 here. Then 60 degree is -0.5 here. Then 90 is -1 here, and positive 120 is -0 point from here, and 150 is -0 point with this point, so like this, and 180 is 0. Then we are having the positive values. 120 is 0.5, so here 0.5 here, and 240 is 0.87 here. Then it is 270 is 1 here. Then 300 is 0.87 here, and 330 is 0.5 here, and 360 is 0. You have to join it like this. So this is how you have to join the curve. You can join it with the marker as well if you want, but I am joining it with pencil first. If you draw it in the graph paper, you will get better result than 0 degree 0. Now moving towards the next part.